Time for Mad Markets, and I'm so delighted. Paul's going to talk about my Greek soccer team, Olympiacos.
I know things have not been ideal for Greeks lately, but good news is on the way. Olympiacos, your nation's finest, this afternoon won a Europa football match against Rubin Kazan from Russia in very snowy conditions. I mean, the nation's finest, not only are they winning, but they're going to Moscow in winter to win. So I think things are turning for the better.
And they're my team.
Greece is on its way back, baby.
Yes, soccer is always a very good barometer for
I
overall
keep telling
sentiment.
clients the only thing they need to worry about in terms of European issues is the Champions League. It kicks off again today, so happy days. We can forget economic issues and ECB ratios and focus on the important football.
Moody's downgrade of 7, chopping block again. Okay.
Ironically, the day that they come out with these downgrades are precisely the days where the European economic data itself, like the German ZU index and so on, came through much stronger than expected. Moody's, who cares?
What else are you looking at, Paul?
My favorite economic indicator of the moment, I kid you not, listen to this. Somebody did a study of the cover model on the swimsuit edition of the Sports Illustrated magazine. Apparently, the years where there is a foreign model on the front cover in a bikini, the stock market goes down. The years where there is an American on the front cover, the market goes up. Last year, it was Bar Rafaeli, who was Israeli citizen, and the market battled, as we know. The S&P 500 ended down. This year, there's a person called Kate something or other. She's American. We've had a good start to the year.
Is she blonde?
I rest my case. I did look at the picture, but it caused a total brain overload. I had to immediately shut down my browser.
Okay, so looking at the overall themes as well, Judy Padiachi, technical strategist, says the JSE is not going to breach above 34,000, more than what it has already. She's not convinced. She thinks there's going to be a slump. I know that the barometers you're looking at are fantastic, Paul, because they really make a lot of sense.
I did see you talking to her, but I'm afraid I had the volume turned down. The technical analysis, as you know, leaves me a little bit less than excited. But, I think all things considered, all we really need for the market to go higher is a higher multiple for our resource stocks. I'm disgusted and disgraced, as you know, by the fact that Billiton and Anglo are not enjoying higher ratings. So that's one of the things, incidentally, I discuss on my show later tonight.
Happy Valentine's Day, Paul. I actually forgot.
Oh, yes.
It's Valentine's Day.
There we go. I think the only thing to do is to go somewhere fancy for dinner tonight.
Yes.
And by that I mean something better than the drive-through at the McDonald's and whisper sweet nothings into the microphone.
You would actually think on Valentine's Day there would be a lot of love in the air, so therefore positive markets, but alas not.
I saw a fascinating statistic that shows that apparently in America, people have babies by preference on Valentine's Day and not on Halloween, which makes sense. In other words, if you're like in the last final stages of your pregnancy, chances are you're going to hold on and keep it in if it's going to be born on Halloween. I mean, who wants to be born on Halloween? And conversely, on Valentine's Day, people push them out that day.
Paul, very amazing investment advice. Thank you very much.